In this video, we will talk about 20 side hustle ideas to make more money. So make sure to watch the full video. In today's world, having multiple streams of income is essential. Side hustles can be a great way to supplement your income and create a passive stream of revenue. However, not all side hustles are created equal. In today's world, having multiple streams of income is essential. Side hustles can be a great way to supplement your income and create a passive stream of revenue. However, not all side hustles are created equal. The key to success is identifying your skill set and finding side hustles that leverage them. In this guide, we're going over the 20 best side hustles to generate passive income. 20 hustles for passive income. These side hustles vary in terms of required initial investment, time commitment, and potential returns. In today's high inflation economy, more and more people are looking for ways to diversify their income. One report found that 44% of Americans at the end of last year had a side hustle. Take a look at some of the most popular ways to generate passive income. 1. Rental property investment. Investing in real estate and renting out properties can provide a steady stream of passive income through rental payments. It is a good side hustle because it offers long-term wealth accumulation, potential tax benefits, and property value appreciation. 2. Create and sell online printables. Starting an online printable store can be a great side hustle for generating passive income. Create and design printable templates such as planners, calendars, worksheets, coloring pages, or party decorations, and sell them on your website or platforms like Etsy. Once the designs are created and listed, you can earn passive income as customers purchase and download your printables. With proper marketing and optimization, your printables can continue to generate sales even while you focus on other aspects of your life. 3. Dividend investing. Investing in dividend-paying stocks allows you to earn regular income from the dividends distributed by the companies you invest in. Dividend investing is an investment strategy focused on purchasing stocks or other assets that pay regular dividends to investors. Dividends are typically cash payments made by a corporation to its shareholders as a distribution of profits. It is a good side hustle because it provides a passive income stream, the potential for capital appreciation, and the opportunity to reinvest dividends for compounding growth. 4. Invest in high-yield savings account. Keeping your money in high-yield savings accounts with competitive interest rates can generate passive income through interest earnings. It is a good side hustle because it requires minimal effort, provides liquidity, and offers a safe place to park your money while earning interest. 5. Create and sell online courses. Creating and selling online courses can be a lucrative way to share your expertise, educate others, and generate income. Sharing your knowledge and expertise by creating and selling online courses can generate passive income. Once the course is created and marketed, it can continue to generate sales without much ongoing effort. It is a good side hustle because it leverages your skills, allows you to reach a global audience, and offers scalability. 6. Affiliate marketing. Promoting products or services through affiliate links and earning a commission on each sale is a popular passive income stream. It is a good side hustle because you don't need to create your own products, and you can earn passive income by recommending products or services you believe in. 7. Create and sell stock photos or graphics. If you have photography or graphic design skills, creating and selling stock photos or graphics can generate passive income. It is a good side hustle because it allows you to monetize your creative skills, earn royalties on each sale, and have the potential for recurring income. 8. Develop and sell mobile apps. Creating and selling mobile apps can provide passive income through app downloads, in-app purchases, or advertising revenue. It is a good side hustle if you have programming skills and can develop useful or entertaining apps that resonate with users. 9. Start a blog and monetize it. Building a successful blog and monetizing it through advertising networks or sponsored content can generate passive income. It is a good side hustle because it allows you to share your passion or expertise, build an online audience, and earn income from ad placements or sponsored collaborations. 10. Create and sell digital products, ebooks, templates, music, etc. Creating and selling digital products like ebooks, templates, music, or other downloadable content can generate passive income. It is a good side hustle because it leverages your creative skills, has low production costs, and can be sold repeatedly without inventory management. 11. Operate an e-commerce store. Building and running an e-commerce store, whether through dropshipping or selling your own products, can provide passive income. It is a good side hustle because it allows you to tap into the growing online shopping trend, reach a wide customer base, and automate certain aspects of the business. 12. Buy and sell domain names. Buying and selling domain names, also known as domain flipping, can generate passive income through profitable domain sales. It is a good side hustle if you have knowledge of market trends and can identify valuable domains. 13. Invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs. Investing in REITs allows you to earn passive income from rental properties or real estate portfolios without the need for direct property ownership. It is a good side hustle because it provides exposure to the real estate market, offers regular dividends, and eliminates the hassle of property management. 14. Create and sell software or plugins. Developing and selling software or plugins can generate passive income through sales or subscriptions. It is a good side hustle if you have programming skills because it allows you to create digital products that address specific needs or enhance existing software. 15. Invest in index funds or ETFs. Investing in index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, provides a diversified portfolio and passive income through capital appreciation and dividends. It is a good side hustle because it offers broad market exposure, low fees, and requires minimal effort in managing the investments. 16. Create a podcast. Creating and monetizing a podcast through sponsorships, advertising, or listener donations can generate passive income. It is a good side hustle if you have knowledge or expertise in a specific niche, enjoy audio storytelling, and can consistently produce engaging content. 17. Build and sell niche websites. Creating and selling niche websites that generate income through advertising, affiliate marketing, or product sales can provide passive income. It is a good side hustle because it leverages your knowledge or interest in a particular niche, allows you to build multiple income-generating websites, and offers the potential for recurring revenue. 18. Participate in affiliate programs. Joining affiliate programs and promoting products or services can earn you passive income through commissions on sales. Participating in affiliate programs is a popular way for individuals and businesses to earn commissions by promoting products or services offered by other companies. This marketing strategy allows you to generate income through referrals and commissions without the need to create and sell your own products. It is a good side hustle because you can choose products that align with your interests or expertise, leverage your online presence, and earn income by recommending products to your audience. 19. Invest in cryptocurrency. Investing in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum can generate passive income through price appreciation or staking rewards. It is a good side hustle if you have an understanding of the cryptocurrency market, are willing to take risks, and can stay updated with market trends and developments. 20. Start a YouTube channel. Creating and growing a YouTube channel can generate passive income through ad revenue or sponsorships. It is a good side hustle if you enjoy creating video content, have the expertise or a unique perspective to share, and can consistently produce engaging videos to attract viewers. Thank you for watching.